So now it's been 24 hours and enjoy my messy kitchen. I put this pan, and you can see that was a good idea. I put the jug in the pan because I knew this was going to happen. See, the whole gallon is starting to cook now, and all the pulp and extra stuff, raisins, etc., are being blown out of the top, which is why you don't tie the bag. I did pick some fresh blackberries out of the back, and I wanted to mention that because you can mix like all kinds of stuff as long as you have a decent amount of the acid in there, which, you know, is like orange juice or pineapple juice or lemonade, whatever your thing is. But see how it's bubbling there? Okay, we'll come back tomorrow and have a look.